Hello, my name is Liesel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly create a pattern with this easy to use duplicating trick right here in Canva. So if you're ready, come with me. Okay, so for today I would like to create a pattern for the background of an Instagram post. So let's go to create a design. We go to Instagram post square. For this pattern I would like to use a little leaf. So let's go to elements, search leaf. And all of these images will come up. I'm just going to use this first outline image here. I want it a little bit smaller because I want my pattern to have 3 leaves going over from the left to the right. Okay, so now we're going to duplicate. And when we start to move the second leaf over, place it exactly where you want it to be, especially in relation to the first leaf, because where I put it down, Canva will now automatically repeat this process when I click the duplicate button again. As you can see, it now placed that leaf exactly the same distance away from the second leaf as what I've placed it from the first leaf. Okay, so let's continue. We will highlight all 3 leaves, group it, duplicate. I will drag it where I would like it to be. Very important, as soon as I place it, Canva will remember this. And when I duplicate, it will place the next row the exact same distance away. Let's do it again. And let's click out of it. And now you can see all of my leaves have been placed perfectly. Let's group all of this together, and now I would like to place this in the middle of my image. The next step is I can see when I click on these leaves that it's got an option to change the color. So let's do that. We click onto the color button, and I like this nice sagey green. So it's changed my first leaf. It gives me an option here at the bottom to go change all. So it will change all these black elements to the sage green. So let's do that. And now my pattern is ready for use. I can either now build the rest of my Instagram post on top of this background, or I can simply download it. And I would suggest to download it with a transparent background if you're on Pro, so that you can always change the color of the background for future purposes, and download. And next time, if you want to use it again, you can just simply upload it into your next post. I hope you found this helpful today. I hope you learned something new. If you've got any questions, please leave me a comment, and thank you so much for staying until the end. See you next time. Bye-bye.